So we have done the add permission requesting. Next, we're going to set up the code for getting the last node location. First of all, you need to make sure you have the Google Play service inside your emulator, and also we need to include the dependency. So we click this link, then it will show you that you need to declare the dependency for the Google Play service. So I will just copy this and then we go to the project structure and then dependency, and then add the dependency, search here, and then import. Double check integrated file is that included or not. So you have the Google Play service location included in your project, then we are ready to start the coding. So go back to the website. How you get the last node location? You require the Fusion fuse location provider client. Then it's a single line of code that you initialize the client. After that, you're going to have a block of code that to get the location information. So I will just declare initialize this first. And then include the library, alternate, enter. So I think this one is for the GMS service location, yes. Then initialize the field location client in the onCreate function. Again, import the necessary package library. Then I will make a new function, get last node location. So copy this code, paste it here, and then make sure you import the necessary library also. And somehow the Android Studio will remind you that you need to check with permission before you run this code. So for us, we will suppress this warning, and then I will run this function inside after the permission checking. So this will be after the permission granted, this section and also this section. And then let's check back the code. So basically meaning that you have the field location client here, and then you have the reverse the event listener. If they're successful to get the location information, then this function will be called, and then the location variable will contain the information about the location. So for us, we will just show it inside a text view. So you can just using the text view, and then to show the information about the latitude and longitude. And the longitude and latitude, you can use the get latitude function and also the get longitude function. And then try and run your application. So after you run the application, you're able to see the last location that detected by the Android system. So if your application is not showing any latitude information or longitude information, then mainly you need to initialize the last node location first. Meaning that you need to open, you can try open the Google Map, and then you can pinpoint any direction that any point that you want. Maybe I should just Okay, so after you initialize setting location, then the Android system will able to set this last node location. So go back to your application, and hopefully you will able to see the last node location.